The story of the cracked pot. An inspirational story. The author of the cracked pot story is unknown, yet the wisdom that it holds is displayed in our lives daily through God's working in and through us. The story goes like this. An elderly Chinese woman had two large pots, each hung on the ends of a pole which she carried across her neck. One of the pots had a crack in it while the other pot was perfect and always delivered a full portion of water. At the end of the long walks from the stream to the house, the cracked pot arrived only half full. For a full 2 years this went on daily, with the woman bringing home only 1.5 pots of water. Of course, the perfect pot was proud of its accomplishments. But the poor cracked pot was ashamed of its own imperfection, and miserable that it could only do half of what it had been made to do. After 2 years of what it perceived to be bitter failure, it spoke to the woman one day by the stream. I am ashamed of myself, because this crack in my side causes water to leak out all the way back to your house. The old woman smiled. Did you notice that there are flowers on your side of the path, but not on the other pot's side? That's because I have always known about your flaw, so I planted flower seeds on your side of the path, and every day while we walk back, you water them. For 2 years I have been able to pick these beautiful flowers to decorate the table. Without you being just the way you are, there would not be this beauty to grace the house. So, have you ever felt like this pot with its crack, imperfect and ashamed? There may have been something in your life that caused you to feel cracked. In all honesty, probably most of us have felt this way at one time or another. Yet what we neglect to realize is that God is sovereign. He created us each unique, and when we depend upon Him, amazing things can happen. Moral of the story. What is true of pots is true of people too. We all have our cracks and flaws, and the real challenge is to find good use of our unique talents. Each of us has our own unique flaw. But it's the cracks and flaws we each have that make our lives together so very interesting and rewarding. You've just got to take each person for what they are and look for the good in them. Thank you for watching and listening to this beautiful story. Please subscribe, like, comment and share.